the revenue in the NFT, non-fungible token, market is expected to reach $1,601.0 million in 2023. It is further projected to grow at a CAGR of 18.55% and reach $3,162.0 million by 2027. Moreover, the number of users is expected to reach 19.31 million by 2027. One of the reasons why there is a surge in NFT marketplace development. However, building a successful NFT marketplace requires careful consideration of various factors to ensure a robust platform that caters to both creators and collectors. This video will present you with key aspects to keep in mind. Blockchain compatibility. Choose a blockchain that aligns with your project goals. Ethereum is currently the most popular for NFTs, but other blockchains like Binance Smart Chain, Flow, and Tezos are gaining traction. Smart contract development. Smart contracts are the backbone of NFT marketplaces. Develop secure and efficient smart contracts that can handle the creation, sale, and transfer of NFTs. Ensure they comply with industry standards such as ERC 721 or ERC 1155 on Ethereum. User-friendly interface. Design an intuitive and user-friendly interface for both creators and collectors. Simplify the process of minting NFTs, listing them for sale, and facilitating transactions. A seamless experience encourages user adoption. Gas fees and scalability. Address the issue of high gas fees on blockchain networks, especially during peak times. Consider Layer 2 solutions or explore blockchains with lower transaction costs to enhance scalability and reduce financial barriers for users. Security measures. Implement robust security measures to protect user data and digital assets. Use secure coding practices, conduct regular audits of smart contracts, and incorporate encryption protocols. Prioritize the safety and trust of your users. IPFS integration. Leverage interplanetary file system (IPFS) or similar decentralized storage solutions to store metadata and media files associated with NFTs. This ensures that the data is distributed and remains accessible even if centralized servers experience downtime. Legal and regulatory compliance. Navigate the legal landscape and ensure compliance with relevant regulations. Address intellectual property concerns and establish clear terms of service. Consulting legal experts can aid you in navigating potential pitfalls in the evolving regulatory environment. Community building. Foster a strong community around your NFT marketplace. Engage with artists, collectors, and enthusiasts through social media, forums, and events. Building a vibrant community can enhance the visibility and credibility of your platform. Flexible payment options. Provide multiple payment options, including cryptocurrency and traditional fiat currencies, to cater to a diverse user base. Integrating widely used payment gateways can simplify the onboarding process for users unfamiliar with cryptocurrencies. Scalable infrastructure. Build a scalable and resilient infrastructure to handle increasing user traffic and transactions. Consider cloud services that offer scalability and reliability, ensuring a smooth user experience as your platform grows. Marketing and promotion. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your NFT marketplace. Collaborate with artists, influencers, and industry partners. Create awareness through targeted campaigns to attract creators as well as collectors to your platform. By carefully considering these aspects, you can lay the foundation for a successful NFT marketplace that not only meets the needs of its users, but also contributes positively to the broader NFT ecosystem. In case you have any queries, feel free to reach us by clicking the link given below in the description.